So hello guys, if you want to create animation like this, I will teach you how you can just generate. So first in Chrome and here just search AI Studio. The AI Studio first link is coming Google AI Studio. Click on this. Once it loaded, just choose Gemini 3 Preview and here you can just type the prompt. I will also share this prompt with you on description. Run control. Yeah, so it's completed. You can just download this HTML file and just save with index.html. Make sure it's saved with .html extension. Just save it. So now we can open Visual Studio to run this. So we will run this files with the batch server. Set out for permission, we can give it. I will provide this code on a GitHub account in the description. Please like and subscribe my channel for this knowledgeable things. Thanks for watching.